Today I will show you how to fix a phone wide-angle camera zoom not working. If the wide-angle 0.5x zoom on your iPhone 11 camera isn't working. There are a few reliable troubleshooting steps you can try to get it functioning again. Sometimes, minor software glitches or dirt on the lens can cause the ultra-wide camera to stop responding. So these steps will help you cover all possibilities. Start by force restarting your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. And finally press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. This process clears temporary bugs and can fix camera malfunctions without erasing your data. Next, close the camera app completely and reopen it. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle to open the app switcher, then swipe up on the camera app to close it. Reopen it from the home screen and test whether the 0.5 zoom works again. Make sure an iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Outdated software can sometimes interfere with camera functionality. Go to Settings greater than General, greater than Software. Date and install any available updates. It's also worth checking if your camera has any restrictions enabled. Go to Settings greater than Screen Time, greater than Content and Privacy Restrictions, then tap Allowed Apps and make sure the camera is toggled on. If it's restricted, the app or some of its features may not work properly. Remove any phone case, magnetic lens attachments, or accessories that might be covering or obstructing the wide-angle lens. These can block the sensor or affect image quality. Once removed, gently clean the back of your phone using a soft microfiber cloth to remove smudges or dust from the camera lenses. Even a small fingerprint can interfere with focus or cause the ultra-wide camera to malfunction. After following these steps, test the 0.5 zoom feature again in the camera app. Switch between 0.5x, 1x, and 2x to see if the wide-angle camera activates. If it still doesn't work, try testing it in other apps like Instagram or Snapchat to see if the problem is app-specific. If the wide lens remains unresponsive across all apps, it could be a hardware issue. In that case, it's best to contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider for a diagnostic check.